Financial literacy is a person's level of knowledge and understanding of basic financial concepts, effective money management skills, and the ability to make informed financial decisions. It includes the ability to budget, plan investments, understand basic financial instruments, loans, investments, insurance, as well as the ability to assess and manage financial risks. Financial literacy helps people make informed financial decisions in everyday life and plan for the future. There are several steps you can follow to develop financial literacy. 1. Learning the basics. Understanding basic financial concepts such as income, expenses, investments, interest, taxes, etc. A great way is to study books, online courses, and resources about finance. 2. Budgeting. Learn how to make budgets, track your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money goes and how you can manage your finances more effectively. 3. Investing. Understand the basics of investing and the risks associated with different types of investments. You can start by learning the basic types of investments and gradually expand your knowledge in this area. 4. Debt management. Understanding the principles of lending, repayment of debts, ability to evaluate credit offers and their terms. 5. Self-learning and practice. Don't hesitate to study new materials and apply the knowledge gained in practice, making financial decisions in everyday life. 6. Getting advice from experts. Seeking advice from financial advisors or experts can help you get personalized advice and guidance on your financial matters. Financial literacy takes time and effort, but constant learning and practice will help you become more confident in managing your finances. A financially illiterate person often does not keep a budget, has no knowledge of financial tools, and does not plan his finances. He or she may be prone to frequent debt, make financial decisions at random, and lack financial reserves for unexpected situations. It is also characterized by a low savings rate and a habit of living from paycheck to paycheck without creating a financial safety cushion.